Marinas, Binondo, involved second floor. Pamper 298 Metro Pamper, walang tanker, need water supply. Delta 3, go ahead. Ada unit pasok to kayo ng tipin pin, negative pa daw may supply ng tubig doon, after Delta 3. Ada unit pasok daw kayo ng tipin pin, negative pa daw may supply doon, after Delta 3.
Malapit sa Jimboy, 10-5 off Agos 29.
Sa location pa, may college Binondo, yung second floor.
Pinagil engine 1023, pinagil engine 1023.
San Andres Pamper 23, San Andres Pamper 23. Hindi ka lang kanit tangkaran.
Transcend tanker 23, transcend tanker 23.
Transit Pamper 23.
Port alarm, 1070 port alarm, assistance needed location, PMI carriages, Las Marinas, Binondo, involved second floor. Pamper 298 Metro Pamper, 12 tanker, need water supply.
3 alarm number 4, location, PMI carriages, first street, Binondo. 74 alarm number 4, location, PMI carriages, first street, Binondo, Manila, involved second floor.
Location PMI College Binondo. San Seventy alarm number 4 Code Alpha. Location PMI College Binondo. Involved second floor.
1070 port alarm, 1070 port alarm, location, PMI carriages, Las Marinas, Binondo, involved second floor. Pamper 298 Metro Pamper, 12 tanker, need water supply. Likewise, responding unit by Kialalayan, requested by Alliance Volunteers.
Supply, Sampaloc Pamper need water supply. 1070 port alarm, alarm number 4 location Bird Street, PMI College. 1070 Silon port alarm, number 4 College, involved second floor.
Responding unit Metro Pamper, need water supply. Metro Pamper, need water supply, location, Las Marinas.
Port alarm, alarm number 4 location Bird Street, PMI College. 1070 Silon port alarm, alarm number 4 location
1070
Bird
port alarm,
Street, PMI
1070
College,
port
involved
alarm, PMI carriages,
second floor.
Las Marinas, Binondo, involved second floor. Pamper 298 Metro Pamper, need water supply, location, Las Marinas. Pelham tanker, need water supply. Likewise,
Code Alpha, location PMI College Binondo, involved second floor.
need water supply, location, Las Marinas Street. Tracer engine, need water supply, location, Las Marinas Street.
Engine 105, water supply.
Engine 105 need water supply, engine 105 need water supply, location, Las Marinas Street.
Binondo, 1070 alarm number 4 Code Alpha, location
1070
PMI
port
College
alarm,
Binondo,
1070
involved second
port
floor.
alarm, PMI carriages, Las Marinas, Binondo, involved second floor. Pamper 298, Pelham tanker, need water supply. Metro Pamper, Tracer engine, engine 105 need water supply, location, Las Marinas Street. Likewise, Kialalayan, requested by Alliance Volunteers.
Binondo, Manila, involved second floor.